Hello! Just a few days ago I participated in the Game Maker's Toolkit Game Jam, or GMTK Game Jam for short. I made a little game which I think is pretty cool, so in this video I'll show you the development process. This is a little different from my previous Game Jam videos, but I hope you'll enjoy it. My name is Simon Holmqvist, and this is how I made Rendezvous in 48 hours.
Terus setelah ada lagi paling ada sedikit karena film masih ada.
I hope you enjoyed that. The link to the game jam is in the description if you want to check out the other games, and the link to my game is there as well. I wish you all a great day. Bye.